We're here at Evergreen Cemetery where we're going to be relaunching our guided tours next Saturday. And the most extraordinary thing here, amid all the death, is life. There's this bee swarm that is here. It's a whole hive that is looking for a new home. And for the moment they are resting with George W. Reed and Harriet A. Bothwell, who died at the turn of the last century. And the question, of course, is, could this be a Bothwell related to the beautiful Bothwell Ranch, which is trying to be preserved out in the San Fernando Valley? Maybe. This is a very small, beautiful little swarm, and I hope that they find a lovely new home and do a lot of great pollination here in Boyle Heights. So, over and out from this wonderful little bit of nature in one of our favorite places in the world.